of my insensitive ways. I took her too much for granted, and she couldn't take another day. So love has left me now. By now she's long, long gone. Love has left me now. Where did I go wrong? Oh, love has left me now. A part of me is gone. Love has left me now. How could I do so wrong? I sometimes kid myself and believe that someday we'll be back together. But deep inside I know that I really lost her forever. The sun no longer shines. It went down when she chose to set herself free. The birds no longer sing. They don't even fly by me. So love has left me now. By now she's long, long gone. Love has left me now. Where did I go wrong? Oh, love has left me now. A part of me is gone. Love has left me now. How could I do so wrong? So love has left me now. By now she's long, long gone. Love has left me now. Where did I go wrong? Oh, love has left me now. A part of me is gone. Love has left me now. How could I do so wrong? Someone tell me where I went wrong. Now she is really gone.
Hi folks, this is Clint. I'm here in Mafia Island, Tanzania, one of the islands off the coast of Tanzania. So I'm going to give my verbal assessment of 2 days of diving here. I was diving with Big Blu, and yeah, it's a pretty good operation, pretty decent, but I'll give you my assessment of the dives. I had 4 dives. Fish life, I would say, is very healthy, above average. However, the coral life I found to be slightly below average. Temperatures in terms of water temps, I would say, are slightly below what I would expect for a tropical location. So they were around 26 degrees, sometimes with a thermocline. Usually tropical locations you expect something like 28 to 30 degrees, so it's slightly cooler. And otherwise, decent diving. I personally wouldn't recommend coming here just as a standalone dive trip. I would definitely recommend coming here maybe as a side trip or an extension if you're coming to Tanzania for a safari, which is what I did. So coming here for safari, you might as well bring your dive gear take in another week and get some diving in. So it's pretty decent diving, but I wouldn't say it's the best place for just a standalone dive destination. So that's my review of Mafia Island